Now, good morning. Now we would have a lesson very soon. So while we are waiting, go to your Google Classroom. Okay, Google Classroom, and download the materials to be used today. Okay, we have got two more topics to go. One is the plastic. The other one is the environmental issues. Okay, spend some time on download it and take a quick look first of all. Did you find it? It is in Google Classroom. Now, if you don't have it, you better let me know now. Now, try to see if you have got the file. Now, for the exercise last time, okay? If you're asked to do it by yourself, can you manage? 上次嗰份 exercise， 同學仔如果翻去自己做，搞乜掂？嗱，如果得嘅話咧，咁我哋就會開新嘅一課啦。咁啊，呢一份咧喺呢個禮拜尾咧要交啦，得唔得？即係今個禮拜咧要交兩樣嘢啊。今個禮拜咧嘅禮拜三咧補交翻 L， 因為 L 嗰度咧我冇鋪翻個 assignment box 嘅。咁呢一份咧 crude oil 咧，呢一份咧就禮拜五交，得唔得？呢一份見唔見到？呢一份，咁呢一份咧就上次即係嗱呢一度咧你會發覺都係要好多嘅背誦嘅呢一個位，得唔得？咁啊呢個係 fractional distillation of crude oil 喺實驗室入邊做噶啦。咁呢個咧即係工業上邊做嘅分流法啊，我哋嘅設計啦，得唔得？咁呢度咧我希望同學花少少時間你哋自己翻去做，得唔得？掂唔掂？嗱 ，if you think that is okay, as said before, please download the notes, okay, and exercise to be used today, and we will start the lesson shortly. Now we have got somebody who are just entering the classroom. After 1 minute, for those who did not come back, I will treat them as absence. Let me see. 陳澤華 ，Are you here? 陳澤華 Number 7， 張希南。13， 郭靖南。19， 凌如翰。23， 麥子陽。Okay, I repeat. Number 13, 郭靖南。Are you here? Number 1, 陳澤華。Number 7. Now you have to陳澤華, you have to come back punctually next time. Because we have just only 25 minutes to go. Now, so please see the document. That's one. I better save it as PDF because the file will be easily change it in different order. Okay, so okay, 麥子陽, you are late. 6 minutes already. So shall we start the lesson now? So today we come to the page on making the polymer, okay, which is called as a plastic. Now, as said last time, you know that crude oil, they are quite useful. Most of them, they're used as fuel. No matter in household or in the transportation, but for part of them, you may use it as a lubricating oil, wax or bitumen because they can hardly burn. 點解會攞嚟做潤滑油啊、蠟啊同埋蠟青咧？因為燒得唔好嘅 ，OK， 好難燒啊！一燒就好多黑煙。咁既然係咁，就不如轉咗嘅第二個用途啦咁樣。因為我知道好結嘅呢啲係嘛，相對其他低 boiling point 比較結啲，咁所以不如攞嚟做蠟啦、潤滑油啦、蠟青啦等等。But part of them which is used as a raw materials 一啲原材料啊 for making some daily petrochemical products. So you may find that only 10% of them they are used, but you may find it is very, very useful. 淨係攞咗原油入邊嘅10%啫，但係咧個用途就非常廣泛。你講緊你哋平時日常生活見到嘅嘢，好多都係石油入邊嘅某一個部分我哋叫做鈾酚啦，入邊再做一啲嘅化學改變。raw materials 我講緊原材料咋，跟住咧就慢慢整咧，就整到我哋想用嘅物料啦，得唔得？咁實際上喺邊度嚟咧？識唔識啊？ It is come from the word. It's come from one boiling point fraction from 70 to 170 degrees. What is that? In English, what is that? 石路油. Anyone who can tell? What is that? 石路油. What is that? N-A, how to pronounce the word? How to pronounce the word? Now we call that naphtha, N-A-P-H-T-H-A, 石路油. So it is not the heaviest boiling point fraction. It's not the lowest boiling point fraction. It's in between. Okay, it seems like in the middle. So naphtha is a good starting material for making the crude oil fractions. So how long? What is the size of hydrocarbon? You find that it's from 70 to 170, okay, degrees. So it will be about 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, about 7 to 10, about 7 to 10 carbon, which make that hydrocarbons. Okay, so remember this one, it is about from 7 to 10. Okay, hydrocarbons. So the NAFLA, so what should we do next is to, first of all, just like this diagram, you are going to further breaking down, okay, into smaller pieces. So we call that process, we call that 裂解 cracking, cracking, cracking. So by doing so, we can have some smaller molecules. Now, for example, if you take this one example, you may get it all together with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 9 carbon, hydrocarbon, and you break it down, you may have that 2, we have got that 3, we have got that 4, for example. So this one is seems like what? Separating that into pieces. 如果好似咁樣講法，我哋點樣拆㗎？係啦，就係咁樣嘅啫，兩粒拆一拆，跟住咧就另外3粒拆一拆，跟住仲有4粒，明唔明啊？嗱，即係話咧呢度咧你可以用唔同顏色筆做顯示啦，呢一粒就代表呢粒啦。And you may find this one， 呢度有3粒啊 ，V 字嘅，嗱呢度有3粒，得唔得？跟住就係藍色啦，呢度咧就有4粒。呢度咧又剩翻4粒俾佢啦，得唔得？咁個過程當中咧，我就拆咗將個粒大分子變成拆細分子嘅。咁樣拆細分子時咧，我哋咧中間揾到其中一種嘅原材料啊 ，is ethene 乙烯 ，ethene 乙烯，which is a good raw materials for making plastic。我哋揾到中間咧，其中一個嘅原材料叫乙烯啊，乙烯就係一個好好嘅原材料去整塑膠嘅。OK， 咁乜嘢塑膠啊？我哋要整啲咩類型嘅塑膠咧？就係我哋整緊一隻咧，就係叫做聚乙烯。嗱，乙烯變聚乙烯啊，咁即係英文入邊多咗一個咩字啊？就多咗 poly 呢個字啊，見唔見到啊 ？poly 咧就係解緊多嘅意思。咁如果我哋講緊嘅就係，咦咁樣黐法，咁就情況咧好似下邊咁啦，有好多呢啲咁嘅細嘅粒子，跟住點咧？佢哋最尾咧要用佢嘅方法就黐成一條好長嘅，嗱仲長過我原本喺呢一個嘅石油入邊攞緊嗰啲係嘛？再長啲嘅，見唔見啊？原本都係得6個、7個、8個、9個碳啫嘛，我就而家再重新再黐翻埋佢，就再黐大粒啲。再黐搭啲 a very large molecule to form a very some word missing. It's a very large molecule. We call that macromolecule. Okay, so polyethylene is just an example. So this is what we call it as a plastic. This is what we call it plastic. So indeed, plastic. They are inside that we have got macromolecules, very big molecules. They are made up of joining together many small molecules. Okay, that is hydrocarbon molecules repeatedly. So underline the term repeatedly, which means that this is what we call it as ethene. This is also got ethene. We have got so many ethene here. Okay, it can be as 100. Or 1,000 or even 10,000, okay, molecules. They are going to join them repeatedly to form a very big molecule. We would say this is the plastic, the molecule of the plastic. While the process 一個過程啊 we call that as polymerization. While the chemical that we can get, it is called that as polymer. So if you use the small molecules, we will call that as a monomer 單體 一個讀一個就咁單一個單位嘅嘢啫，叫單體。While the macromolecules form, we call that polymers 聚合物。So it is generalized by that equation. The molecules, the monomer molecules, that is the raw materials for making plastic, they have got so many different units. They join together to form a big molecules. We call that more polymers. You understand? So in short, I will give you one example. We call that ethene, and they will join repeatedly to form the new compound. We call that polyethene, or we call that polyethene. Polyethene. 我哋攞緊一啲整塑膠嘅原材料，叫做乙烯。乙烯係啲氣體嚟嘅。Okay, and while we have got so many ethene, I simplify by marking it as N. So many ethene. They will join repeatedly, and they will form a polymer. We call it polyethene. In Chinese, we call it 聚乙烯. So very often, while you talk about plastic, we will also give you a name 聚，就會咁解啦。好，有冇聽過一啲塑膠嘅名啊？講嚟聽下。同學仔由細到大有冇聽過一啲塑膠嘅名啊？鄭凱文啦，你講一個嚟聽下。
發泡膠嗰啲知唔知？
係發泡膠係啊，啱啊，發泡膠。咁發泡膠我哋嗰個名咧，英文叫乜嘢咧？喺中三咧，我哋可能之前咧，你哋學嘅英文咧，發泡膠叫 foam plastic 係咪啊 ？foam plastic，foam 咧就解泡沫，係啊，泡嘅意思。咁 foam plastic 咧就解緊發泡膠啦。但係咧，如果你講緊真係咧，我哋化學個名咧就叫做 expanded polystyrene。expanded polystyrene， 咁 expanded 嘅意思係咩咧？就解膨脹嘅意思。咁 polystyrene 咧，中文叫乜嘢？有冇人知啊？叫做聚苯乙烯。個唔係笨字嚟㗎，係個本字，有個草花頭嘅。草花頭，笨係竹花頭嘛，草花頭叫本，聚苯乙烯。咁逢親你見到聚苯乙烯4隻字咧，咁你就話俾你聽，其實係發泡膠啦。嗱，係時候就演嘢啦，話俾人聽，哇勁啊！我哋嗰啲都係讀化學嘅咁樣係嘛？原來嗰啲聚乙烯啊、聚苯乙烯啊咁樣，哇咩嚟㗎？總之係唔知聚咩烯啦，係咪啊？你會見到啲名啦，係咪真係咁嘅咧？咁樣嗱，我哋咧下邊咧有一紮例子嘅，睇下有冇同學仔識先。嗱呢個咧，我哋頭先講咗啦，發泡膠嗰啲叫做聚苯乙烯，英文係叫咩 ？polystyrene。或者咧，塑膠個名咧，我哋有陣時會有嗰啲咁嘅符號嘅，叫 PS， 叫做聚苯乙烯。你知唔知道咧？你有陣時一啲塑膠嘅產品咧，會有一啲咁樣嘅英文嘅簡寫㗎。有冇見到㗎？有冇見到呢啲嘢嘅？啲英文嘅簡寫，嗰啲咧就係叫做呢個叫聚苯乙烯 PS， 有冇見過呢個字？聚苯乙烯。咁上邊咧，我哋講膠袋咧，嗱膠袋啦，一啲比較軟身少少嘅洗頭水樽啊、清潔用品啊，軟身啲㗎 ，soft 啲嘅。甚至冇咧，我哋講緊嘅叫做保鮮紙咁樣。咁呢個咧，佢哋叫做乜嘢嘅塑膠咧？就係我哋頭先講㗎啦，叫做聚乙烯。聚乙烯符號咧就叫做 PE 嘅。OK， 我哋會有陣時間會 PE 嘅，叫 polyethylene 嘅，得唔得？嗱，原來個塑膠啲咩好得意嘅，係咪啊？咁大部分情況底下係咪前面咁寫 poly 咁就得㗎啦？嗱，原材料有個名嘅加 poly 係最常見嘅命名法嚟嘅。 得唔得？你屋企入邊有冇呢一啲嘅產品咧？有㗎，嗱膠袋啊，就我講緊邊隻膠袋咧？塑膠嗰啲背心膠袋，好軟身嘅，留意下佢哋嘅特性咧，軟身嘅，好大力一掹咧會斷嘅，嗱嗰種咧就係聚乙烯啦。OK， 聚苯乙烯咧就佢咧就硬身啲嘅，硬身啲嘅。例如咧，我哋以前咧嗰啲 CD 嗰啲盒啊，咁嗰啲咧就係叫做聚苯乙烯啦。但係呢一隻咧就唔係硬身嘅喎。咁點解呢兩個質地唔一樣嘅咧？有冇人知啊？其實咧佢咩叫發泡膠咧？就係製作個塑膠過程當中咧，佢打咗氣啊，佢 bubbling 啊，佢打啲氣落去。咁咧整緊佢未變成個製品之前咧，佢打啲氣落去。所以咧，你將嗰個發泡膠咧切開嗰陣時咧，你會見到咧有好多個窿嘅。OK， 白色嘅地方，白色嘅地方就係我哋要講嘅 polystyrene 啦。而佢入邊咧嗰啲窿咧，嗰啲 hole 係咩嚟嘅？就係啲空氣嚟嘅啫。嗱，咁我就叫發泡膠啦，真啦。咁點解我哋由呢個咁硬嘅塑膠咁變成一個有發泡膠嘅咧？咁樣攞嚟做乜㗎？保暖用嘅喎，知唔知點解啊？點可以做到保暖啊？因為嗰陣塗層入邊，即係我哋嗰陣物料入邊有兩樣嘢都唔係好導熱嘅。第一隻係咩？塑膠啦，第二隻係空氣啦，明唔明啊？所以咧，而家天氣凍咧，你會發覺咧，我哋好多時我哋會着嗰啲著嗰啲褸啊、褲啊、衫啊，邊啲比較暖啲咧？就係如果你入邊你個衫入邊咧，佢係有啲毛毛嗰啲，知唔知點解？因為嗰啲毛毛其實就係佢隔住一陣空氣，等啲空氣冇咁流通得咁快。咁而空氣咧就係好一個好好嘅隔熱體啊！咁同一個道理啦嚇，我哋啲塑膠入邊咧都會有做緊呢啲類似嘅動作，係入邊加啲空氣入邊，而啲空氣咧係 trap 咗入去，係困住入去，令到佢哋咧未冇咁容易空氣流通，從而做到散熱嘅。咁而反之，我哋做咩？即係保暖啦。跟唔跟到？明唔明呢度講緊啲咩嘢？明我咁好啦，唔好意思啊，今年咧我哋咧又冇得做實驗啊，唉，真係陰公啊！即係中三嘅同學真係好慘啊！即係讀化學科冇化學實驗，咁我哋咧就如果我哋有疫情好咗咧，我希望有時間咧，我帶大家上化學實驗室咧，就教你哋整一隻塑膠，係啦。咁乜嘢嘅類型嘅塑膠咧？就係我哋講緊嘅 polystyrene 啦。我哋整緊一隻叫 polystyrene 嘅嘢。咁 polystyrene 點整咧？嗱，書入邊咧都有類似嘅一個實驗嘅。咁啊，唔好意思啊，即係浸齋睇嘅啫。係咪冇聲？靜靜冇聲。
Pour 20 cubic centimeters of styrene slowly into a clean, dry paper cup.
見唔見到呢個字 styrene？styrene 咁中文叫咩啊？頭先我提咗你個 polystyrene，叫做 polystyrene，佢嘅就係個 polymer 名啦。咁 styrene 咁中文叫咩？有冇人答到我？試下，你估下嗰隻叫咩名？何子希咧喺咩度？何子希喺咩度？唔見咗啦，係咪出咗去啊？頭先就好似好啦，咁咧我哋就揾到個人先。劉軒做啊 ，styrene 中文叫咩名 ？styrene。
哦 ，styrene。
我哋冇咗個 poly 呢個字 ，poly 咁個中文直譯係咩？叫做多啊嘛。咁我哋咧就變咗叫做
個苯乙烯。
係啊，苯乙烯啊。 唔係聚冇聚苯乙烯個聚字啊，就咁寫苯乙烯啫，原來就咁簡單啫，就叫苯乙烯。原來佢哋嘅名都好得意嘅。嗱，加個 poly 呢個字就叫做聚啦，個分別就係咁啦，明唔明？明唔明 ？OK， 咁我哋留意下咯。
即係加聚喺前面嘛。
係啦，咁咪就係塑膠啦。
Add 8 drops of initiator to styrene.
Initiator 見唔見到？
Stir the mixture slowly with a wooden stick. Avoid forming bubbles in the mixture. Mixture slowly with a wooden.
跟住咧，佢話加咗啲加咗一隻叫做 initiator。initiator 咧就係咩咧？就係一啲起動劑。咁啊加咗落去咧，引發劑我哋叫做 ，sorry 啊，講錯咗，引發劑中文咧叫引發劑。引發劑嘅意思咧就係加咗落去之後咧，個反應咧就行啦，得唔得？咁原本咧嗰啲嗰啲苯乙烯咧就一樽好似嗰個嘅叫做咩啊？一樽咧好似叫做膠水咁樣嘅，嗰啲結塔塔嘅嘢啫。咁所以咧一樽咧佢自己唔會變聚苯乙烯嘅，我要加啲嘢令到佢快啲開始嘅，咁我就要引發劑。引發劑 initiator， 跟住就慢慢搞。
Stir the mixture slowly with a wooden stick. Avoid forming bubbles in the mixture. Add 8 drops of hardener to the mixture and stir continuously. The hardener can increase the hardness of the polymer.
Hardener 咧就係解緊啲硬化劑，即係話我又要加啲 chemical 咯，又要加啲其他嘢落去咯，就令到嗰啲塑膠咧就硬啲，得唔得？硬化劑 ，OK。
During stirring, what do you observe about the mixture? Touch the paper cup with your hands. What do you feel? When the mixture becomes viscous enough, put the small objects you collected into the paper cup. Cover the paper cup with the lid. Keep the paper cup completely still for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, tear the paper cup off the product. Describe the appearance of the plastic formed.
有冇留意到咧？嗰啲即係嗰一隻塑膠咧，嗰個形佢個質地咧就硬身少少嘅。咁啊，相對頭先你講緊就係話啲液體嚟講咧，佢係硬身啲嘅。咁我哋又做咗呢啲嘅塑膠啦。呢隻塑膠係咩嚟嘅咧？有冇聽過水晶膠啊？水晶膠。咁水晶膠咧就係屬於呢一種嘅塑膠啦。點解叫水晶咧？因為佢係好清澈嘅意思嘅，得嗎？好清嘅意思嘅，清唔清楚？好啦，咁咧呢一度咧我哋開始咗少少先啦，好嘛？因為咧我哋仲有其實好多咧都未講嘅，有啲塑膠咧係啲佢哋入邊係咩叫原材料啦？佢哋有乜嘢特性啦？我哋冇講嘅。嗱，俾個任務俾大家，你試下揾啦。嗱，係要上網慢慢揾嘅呢度。咁咧就呢度咧有一紮1、2、3、4、5、6個例子，見唔見到？呢6個例子咧就係講緊唔同類型嘅塑膠嘅產品。嗱，有陣時咧你會揾到佢個序字行頭，有陣時又冇嘅。咁你要揾翻俾我，其實呢啲嘅塑膠係啲乜嘢？咩類型嘅塑膠整咩產品咧？咁樣嗱，隻嘅特性有啲唔一樣嘅。留意下，有啲軟身啲、硬身啲、韌啲，有啲腍啲，有啲軟啲，係咪啊？嗱，見唔見到啊？咁呢度咧就總共有1、2、3、4、5、6個例子啊。OK，得乜？翻去揾問。好，我哋嚟個總結咯。我哋講緊塑膠嘅原材料喺邊度嚟嘅？問下同學先。26號，譚同學知唔知？係喺邊度嚟㗎？塑膠嘅原材料邊度嚟㗎？
石油。
石油入邊係咪全部啊？唔係喎，得一浸啫喎。70度至170度，呢一個英文點讀
？Nafta。
Naphtha 係啊 ，Naphtha 多一次 ，Naphtha，OK，Naphtha 好啦，跟住呢個 Naphtha 石老油就可以整塑膠啦。好啦，跟住咧要點啊？拆碎咗佢先嘅，拆碎嘅過程叫做 cracking。咁我戰可以喺中間攞一啲原材料出嚟，咁我攞個原材料咧叫做 monomer， 而佢變成嘅大粒嘅 plastic 咧就叫 polymer， 就將好多好細粒嘅一個一個咁扣起上嚟，似咩咧？好似萬字夾咁啊，一個扣一個，一個扣一個，一個扣一個，明唔明白？好，呢一堂係咁先，好啦，係咁啦，拜拜，上堂下一堂咯喎，拜拜。拜拜，
拜拜。
拜拜，拜拜。